Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about this Mitsubishi Mirage seat. Just that side of it. So these are out of a junkyard car that only had 200 miles on it. The unfortunate thing is they left stuff sitting in the car on the seats. As you can see here, dents in. But there's a solution to that problem. Aha! This old crappy steamer, apparently you steam the spots where the foam's dented, as you can see. It's not as dented anymore. So continue to work on this and not drop it like that. It should be good. Hold on, let's take a look. Went to a little more stable work environment here. So it's getting there. Gotta let the steamer recharge so it doesn't hold that much. So, oh yeah. Oh, that's hot. Kind of push on it some. Yes, this is an old stove. It's fucked up. Gotta repair it eventually. Definitely getting there. Letting the thing cool down so we add some more water. Got this future project here. This Mitsubishi multi-entertainment system, navigation system here, hooked up to the bench power and the test rig, so we can listen to some tunes, which I can't really turn up while we're recording, because, yeah, check this out though. When's the last time you've seen this kind of thing? Oh yeah. It's pretty cool. Let's see if this cooled down enough to get more water. Oh, no, not yet, but soon. All right, she's heating back up. I'll show you the driver's seat real quick. It had way worse dents on it. So it had a huge indent. Focus, fuck. It had a huge indent right here. Huge one. Not no more. All gone. Can't even really tell there was one there. I also had one on the side bolster here. Gone. One over here. I think it was up here. I think. Somewhere around here. But it's gone. Look at this ancient thing. Zero! Alright, the light is off. That means it's time to get back to work here. See, look at that. Look at that. Remember there used to be a big dent? Where's the big dent? Oh, I don't know. Not there. Oh, yeah. Steam in this seat. Good for the pores, too. Let's get some of that in there. Ah, yeah. Not really, it stinks. Whew, that's hot. Holy shit. Ugh. Yeah, look at that. Still a little bit down here, so I'll have to switch over to that spot, but up here it's pretty good. Alright, go attack this a little bit more here in a second. Yeah, I'd say that's pretty good. So there's one more here. See right here. Ain't good there. All right, let's do that one. Look at that now. Dent, you ask? What dent? She gone. I steamed the rest of the side here and flip it back over to the top. Fortunately, it got a little dirty from getting knocked down. Just go over it a little bit more here. Get off there. There we go. Now this is only step one. You should use the carpet machine, which is over there. That thing's a piece of junk. It does work, but it leaks all over the floor. But after you steam it, you should shampoo and extract it, just to be sure it's extra clean. Yeah, I was sitting in a junkyard. God knows how long the windows were down, or whatever. But looks good. All right. Yes, I know it needs to be cleaned in here. It's awful. Yeah, these ones came out great. They're done. I still got to do that side and that side, and then that project will be finished. ME 2.6. Thanks for watching.